Welcome to today's lesson. We will be teaching Gong, and I will be your guide, Gillian, or Little Bird. You might like to find a few little pieces to help you relax in this journey that we're going to go on together. Maybe some incense, some candles, some crystals. I like this pink one. Mom, I'm recording. Sometimes the energy flow will get disrupted like this. You just need to stay calm and centered. Relax. So the purpose of today's session is to simply awaken, stretch, get rid of all that old energy. It's probably tiring you down, heavy. We're going to get rid of it. I'm going to take in new energy from the earth and the sky. Okay, so it's going to be a simple routine. Shut up. We're going to start with whatever feels comfortable. So put your feet hip width apart, grab your hands and just have a little stretch as far as feels comfortable, just so you're stretching the sides and the other side. Hold them both for a few breaths, and then you just want to loosen those arms. And then we just want to get things moving a little bit. So put your legs apart, and then whichever leg's forward, get the other arm and just swing it back and forth. You might get a sensation of the energy really starting to whoosh. And just enjoy that whoosh. And then when you've got a nice loose momentum, try and relax it completely. Get the old rock start going. Rock out. And then on the other side, get it really relaxed, opposite arms, opposite leg, and whoosh. And the other way. And then the other one I do, which might not feel comfortable at the minute, we'll just see how you are, is you just swing your arms around. You can do it as relaxed as you want and have the hand really dead and heavy. And you can get a bit more going, so you're starting to twist a bit. Not going to be afraid to hit yourself and keep on. They love a bit of that. And then let that relax. Okay, so that's just warming up a few things in your arms. So now, depending on how your balance is feeling, on one leg, lift your leg, and you're going to rotate your ankle 9 times one way. And then 9 times the other way. And then shake it out. And the other side, lift your leg 9 times. Twist your ankle, so to speak. Just focus. And 9 times the other way. And shake it out. And then we're going to go to the arms and we're going to shake off last night's energy. Rub it off, up, rub it off, and up, and rub it off. And then we're going to breathe in and then start getting that new energy into the energy point, energy center. Where all your energy is made. And just gently rub around. Be good to your kidneys. Okay, so we're just going to start by gently waking up all the pressure points in your body. Start by just giving your neck a little massage. We don't do this self-love enough. Just a little massage to yourself can make a difference. And up round the neck, wherever feels good. Around the bottom of the jaw, a lot of tension there. And you can get right in there, you can be as gentle or as hard as you want. And then with the tips of your fingers, give your head a little massage. I'm going to come around and shake your face. Rub it. And really wake it up. And then you're going to rub your ears. And then hold. Hold on to your earlobes. Give them a real pinch. Breathe in and just enjoy that little moment. And you're going to shake off any negative thoughts you've got going on. There's bound to be sometimes early in the morning. Set yourself a little mantra for the day. It's going to be tough. It's going to be alright. The little things. And shake it out. Okay, then we're going to get tapping. And this is really important. Tap all over your head. Tap all over. And like it up and down the neck, back of the neck. And this is waking up all your pressure points. Getting everything moving. Tap around your chin again if you want. Tap into the back of your shoulder. Get your 3 fingers together so you can get nice and firm, but go as hard as soft as you like. In around the shoulder. Into the armpit. That's where all your glands are. And then you're going to get into a fist and tap down the inside of your arm, down to the fingertips, and up the other side. In the armpit. And then you do that 3 times on each side. Or once, if you're in a hurry. And then on the other side, the shoulder, into the armpit, with the glands up. All the way down to your fingertips. And when you get a good spot, just go there a bit longer. Give it harder. That's good. And then we're going to do a bit of Donkey Kong. Go around the breast. Breathe in. Okay, then make sure you're nice and comfortable. Knees soft, slightly bent. Put your hand, your left hand, to the lower of your back, sat above your bum there. Take your right hand, and you can either touch your belly, just go above it, eyes up just above it, and you're going to slightly circle your hand. Just shut your eyes, concentrate on your breath, and just listen to what's going on around you. And just breathe. You might notice the sound of some birds, cars going past, just different daily noises. Just tune in and then rotate your hand the other way. Start waking up your chakra, energy point, whatever it is, your inner goddess. Right, and now we're going to continue waking up the rest of the body. So hands and fists, bend over slightly, and just go up and down the spine. Get those energy highways open. The bottom of the back is quite nice, and then get into your gluteus maximus and give them a good punch. Oh yeah. And then, just a bit delicate, maybe leave the next bit out, but maybe when you're feeling better, because you've got all the glands there, just give this little bang. And then bend down as far as you can, just work your way up and down your legs, and your knees, and into your toes. I like to give my thighs a good pounding here. Do that 3 times, and then we're going to shake it all out. So just on one leg, shake out the other leg, just really flick all that old shit off. Flick it off the hands, and then bang your foot on the ground. And then the other side. Get rid of it. And then I should have it all off now. So we're taking a bit of new energy. So breathe in and have your knees gentle and just sweep it in from the ground. Stretch up. Take it in. Stretch out. Move your knees with it. Take it in. Stretch out. And out. And do that as many times as you feel is good. It's fast and slow. Start slow. Speed up if you like. Similarly, we're going to take in from the sky. Knees soft. You're going to bend with it a little bit, but you're going to take your arms and just reach up, breathe in, and then bring it over you. Bending your knees gently as you go down. So again, knees bent, sweep up. And gently lower your knees with it slightly. Let it all drop down. And bring your feet together or near. Take your hands in prayer and take a little moment of gratitude. Just feel your hands pressed against your heart. And be thankful of anything you're thankful for. And how small. And say well done. And namaste, wrong culture. And have a wonderful day. This little bird.